Drawing is not always an easy thing, and I can totally understand that because drawing hasn't always been easy for me either. So that's why today we will be practicing on how to draw a bear with a strawberry on his head. First, we are going to be drawing a circle for his head, 2 ears, the eyes.
What are you doing over here?
Okay, so then we're going to be drawing the mouth around it. And then the body can go like this. And I practice drawing a lot, so it gets easier every time. And sometimes when I try to copy what I've been drawing, it's easier the first time, I feel like, because it was the original. So that is how you draw the bear. And I think he had a name, because I have a stuffy of this bear, but I forgot. It started with an R, but it was like wrote in fancy, and I might have even been in a different language too. But this was super fun. I really enjoyed drawing this with you. So now you can color him brown, or however you want, actually. And, or you can color him however you want. And then color his body too. And then you can color this part of the strawberry red or green because it's the top. So then, wait a second, I'm going to get pink. This flavor is cotton candy because these markers are scented. So I'm going to just use this part for the ears. And that's how you draw it. You can add a background if you want to, but I think I'm just going to leave mine like this, or I might do one after. I hope you guys had a fun time drawing with me, and I hope to see you again soon. And happy Easter. Bye, friends.